Oh my God, it's a blizzard. I gotta go out and get eggs and milk and bread and snow shovels or we're all gonna die. Pray for us.
Well, I'm back from the store. I got a case of Spam and a case of canned chili so we can survive. Meanwhile, the blizzard of '09 rages on. We now have about a half an inch of snow on the ground, and we're hoping the governor calls out the guard. Boy, it's getting bad. As you can see, it's really bad out here. I don't know what we're gonna do. You want to go in? You want to go in, baby? Huh? You want to go in? Okay, just a minute. Well, it stopped snowing. We got about 4 inches. South Jersey's at a standstill. The National Guard is called out. We probably won't be out of the house for about 2 weeks. But somehow we will survive.